Blockchain explained in 90 seconds. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to explain what blockchain is in plain English and how it works in just 90 seconds. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. Imagine a digital notebook that's shared across thousands of computers around the world. That's basically what a blockchain is, a public decentralized ledger. Every time someone makes a transaction, it's recorded as a block of data. These blocks are linked together in a chain, which is why it's called a blockchain. Each block contains three key things: the data, a unique code called a hash, and the hash of the previous block, so they're all connected. Once a block is added, it can't be changed without changing every block after it, which makes the entire system super secure and almost impossible to hack. It's not controlled by any single person or company. Instead, it's verified by a network of users called nodes who agree on what's valid. That's called consensus. This technology powers cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but it's also being used for things like digital identity, supply chains, and even voting systems. That's all for the video. Blockchain is like a digital trust machine, open, secure, and built for the future. Now you know how it works in just 90 seconds. If you liked this one, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.